Hey everyone, today I want to share with you the October Stickii Club Pop Kit. I really like Stickii Club. I've mentioned this in the past. It's really affordable. It's a sticker kit club. It's $10 a month. I think you get great value. It's $2.50 shipping internationally and less for Canada and the US. I can't remember exactly how much. And you can very easily subscribe and unsubscribe. You can wait for the sneaks and then subscribe. You can wait for the full or almost full reveal and then subscribe. The disadvantage to that would just be getting your kit a little bit later. But international shipping is really fast. I usually get them in about a week, which is fast for shipping from the US to Europe. And I usually get the cute kit, but this month I got the pop kit because it is a travel theme, and I am going to share with you that I will be going to Tokyo in November. I'm so excited. I have a friend living there and I'm going to visit her. Tokyo and Japan will probably be also in Kyoto. It's been on my bucket list for a very, very long time, and to do that with a friend who also loves, stationery and that sort of thing as much as I do is just perfect. So that's my big travel news, and when I saw this kit, I knew I had to have it. So take a look. These are, I'm pretty sure they're still available. You can order these. And yeah, they're fantastic. They have included some of these tiny notebooks in the past, which what I'm thinking is I don't really know what to do with these. It's not something that is like super inviting to me, but what I'm thinking is maybe to include a little pocket or something. So this is my handmade traveler's notebook cover, and I made it with cork. It was like an experiment just to see if I like the material, and I do really like it. It feels really nice. So I'm thinking maybe to do in these inserts a little pocket or something where I can include this notebook and where I can jot down, I don't know, boring information, random thoughts or whatever. I have no idea. But it's not like my favorite item. I would rather have another sticker pack. These I love. I haven't looked at it, so I wanted to be surprised. I mean, I saw the snakes and immediately decided to get this kit for the month. Oh, that's beautiful. So this Post-it pack has the gold foiling, which just makes it look so beautiful and detailed. I love it. And there's always a little kind of more unique item, so something like this patch, and I love these. I have from previous kits some decorating my little Webster's Pages cover, and this one, yeah, it's perfect for my upcoming trip. And there's always a paper clip and one pack of like flakes, sticker flakes. So the paper clip has the shape of, I guess this is like a carry-on. Cute. I like it. Simple and gold. Very cute. These flakes are acetate or clear, and they are, like passport stamps, which I love. It's like one of those things that are so easy to decorate, and I think because it's acetate, I would probably add it to a finished page. So once I've journaled and everything, because it's, you can't journal on top of this with just a regular pen. I just love travel themed embellishments, and while I'm usually not big on retro for many styles, when it comes to travel, I think the best looking stuff do have that somewhat retro look. Okay, so let's look at the stickers. I haven't seen these, and we can see them together. Okay, so these look a little bit boring and clear. When in doubt, travel, always take the scenic route. Sorry, you can't see that. So these are clear with silver writing. They're cute. More clear stickers. These are super cute. I love these with suitcases. So I just thought I'll probably take this kit with me and I can start, you know, journaling and decorating on the way, at the airport, on the plane. Because it's a long flight from Vienna to Tokyo. So this is one sheet, and then I'll show you this. And these have a really nice kind of, it's kind of like a washy finish. Not really, I guess. More like vellum, I would say, probably. Really nice. I've always been impressed with the quality of the stickers here. I just want to mention it because a lot of times, you know, you can get things that are off cut or not that nicely cut. These have been across the board. I've had many kits from them and I'm always impressed by the quality. So this is not sponsored or anything. The link below is an affiliate link. I don't get money for it, but if a certain amount of people use the link to subscribe, I do get the free kit and I pay for shipping. So just full disclosure, I would never recommend this if I didn't really like them. These are again clear. These are super cute. I really like this style. Love the Volkswagen, the old Volkswagen. Okay, these I think I saw in the sneaks and I was like, yes, yes, yes. So these are illustrations. I love the style of this kind of illustrations. And of course you can see it's like an airplane window. And I thought they were so lovely. And then this one has just different, you know, places in the world. And there's Japan, so very cool. Italy, Paris, USA, India, haven't been, Egypt, haven't been, but the rest of the places I have been, and in Japan, I will be very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye!